So here's how to delete Microsoft Edge permanently. First of all, from your desktop, go over and click on Start on the bottom left and select File Explorer. After that, select this PC and go over to Local Drive C. Then click on Program Files. And once you're here, find and click on Microsoft. After that, from the options, click on Edge. Then select Application. So here, you need to click on the first option that has all the numbers. After that, from the options, you need to find and click on the installer folder right here. And as you can see, we're now in the installer folder. Now, you need to click on this installer text on the top panel right here. Then, replace the text with CMD and press enter. Then, you will get to see this pop-up window. Here, you need to type in or copy and paste this text right here into the command prompt. You can find this command in the description. So, let's copy this and paste it right here. Then, just press enter and you will see a pop-up with the options yes and no, asking you to confirm if you want to uninstall Microsoft Edge. Just click on yes, and that's it. That is exactly how to delete Microsoft Edge permanently.